Alright, so this is Shamrock Inn. It's my hotel. And here's my bike. And I'm in room 10. And gonna give you a bird's eye view, or maybe a bipedal eye view of the place. I would say eclectic is correct. But let's go in my room, so come on. We'll walk through here. There it is, room 10. Let's go in. It's a mess because I stayed here last night and I didn't make my bed, and no one cares. But it's a small room. There's a day bed, fold-out bed there with all my crap on it. Just very eclectic, and I'm digging it. I think I got lucky when I found this place. The proprietors are really interesting and fun to talk to, and they gave me a lot of ideas about places to visit while I'm here. I'll be here for a few days, so. The bathroom back there in the corner, and you see the coat rack above the area there. I walked out of the bathroom this morning and banged my head on that, and it actually made my knees buckle. I saw red and green stars, but I'm okay now, so see ya.